What's going on, guys? I got a few cases here from VRS Design for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus to show you guys. Let's check it out. Here's the clear case for the S10 Plus. You got the up and down volume button, Bixby button, and the power button on the other side. So up on top, you got the microphone cut out there, and on the bottom, you got speaker cut out, the power port cut out, and the headphone jack cut out. In the back, you got the camera cut out there, and it's pretty flexible. This is called a soft case, and it's clear color. Sorry, I don't have the phone to try it on to let you guys see it, but at least I can show you guys the case. Okay, that's a clear. And this one is the same, just that you have the black bumper on the side. Okay. And those are for the S10 Plus. Now, this is called a glide shield case. You could fit, you could put two cards in here. Either you could put your photo ID, your driver license with a credit card. Okay, and it's pretty cool. I think this credit card holder, it's one of the best one because most of the other one doesn't have the spring-loaded mechanism right here where you just slightly push it, it's self-close. That's pretty cool right there. Cool, good design. Okay, so we got the Bixby button. No, sorry, that's a power button. On the other side, you got up and down volume and the Bixby button right there. On the bottom, you got the headphone jack, the power port cut out, and the speaker cut out. Okay, and up on top, that's the microphone. And in the four corner, you have this little extra bumper protection here, just in case you drop the phone. Okay, right there. Okay, right there in the four corner. And then you got the camera cut out in the back. Yeah, I really like this credit card slider. It's pretty cool, snappy. Okay, and this is for the S10 Plus 2, just in the matte color. Okay, the same as the other one, just got the solid black cover for the card holder. Okay, I prefer this one, so I don't want people to see what I have, what credit card I have or my photo ID, inside the phone, because with the clear case you can actually see it. Okay. Right, that's a matte color for the S10 Plus. And what we got here is the yellow glide shield case for the S10. It's the same, I think it's the same case as the S10 Plus. It's just smaller. You got the volume up and down here. You got the Bixby. You got the camera cut out. On the other side, you have the power button. But on this one, it's an actual cutout on the, let's see, on the S10 Plus, it's a soft button for the power button. Okay, so you got a cutout here, and you got a actual soft button to push to turn on and off the phone. So, okay, that's the only difference. And this one is the same, just in the matte color with the solid color credit card glide. Camera cutout. You got the power button cutout on the other side, up and down volume, and the Bixby. On the bottom, you got the headphone, you got the power port, and the speaker cutout. On top, and you got the microphone. And this is the matte color for the S10. Alright guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think about these cases from VRS Design for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos update. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.